The Lexus ES 2025 continues to demonstrate the brand's commitment to luxury and design excellence. Building on its established aesthetic, the latest model introduces subtle yet impactful refinements that enhance its visual appeal. The distinctive spindle grille remains the focal point, now featuring horizontal slats that replace the previous mesh design, offering a fresh and sophisticated look. Flanking the grille are updated headlights with V-shaped LED daytime running lights, which contribute to a modern and dynamic front profile. The Lexus ES gives buyers a choice of 3 powertrains. The ES 250 is powered by a 203 horsepower 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and comes with all-wheel drive. All ES 350 trims come with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 302 horsepower and is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to the front wheels. For those looking for a more aggressive aesthetic, the Blackline Special Edition package is available on the ES 350F Sport Handling model. This package includes black side mirrors, a distinctive black rear lip spoiler, and a black lower swing panel, adding a sporty feel to the design of this elegant sedan. At the rear, the ES features redesigned taillight clusters for a fresh look. The traditional Lexus logo on the trunk lid has been replaced with brand lettering, in line with current design trends. In addition, the rear bumper has been redesigned to hide the exhaust ports, resulting in a cleaner and more refined look. The interior of the Lexus ES 2025 demonstrates the brand's dedication to luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. With meticulous attention to detail, the cabin offers a serene and sophisticated environment for the driver and passengers. High-quality materials adorn the interior, including available semi-aniline leather upholstery and real wood trim, which contribute to the upscale ambience. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, providing ample support for long journeys. The overall build quality reflects Lexus' commitment to perfection, ensuring a premium feel throughout the cabin. The ES is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring an 8-inch touchscreen or an available 12.3-inch touchscreen. The system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration, allowing seamless connectivity for smartphones and other devices. The available Mark Levinson premium audio system provides an exceptional listening experience, enhancing the overall driving environment.